Hello friends. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Python and Django interview questions. This is the real-time interview questions which are asked to me for 3+ years of experience or 4 years of experience persons, around 4 years of experience persons. Yeah, anyway, first question will be tell me about yourself. This is a common question. In the interview, they will ask to you, tell me about yourself. First, you need to introduce yourself. That is your name. Like this is Shailesh Rajanapal, are having around 4 years of experience or 3 years, 10 months of experience, especially in Python and Django. We need to mention this, especially in Python and Django. If you are interested in Python and Django technologies, and they are also interested in Python and Django, at that time you need to mention this Python and Django. After that, one by one, you need to explain about yourself. That is, I also have experience in AWS, recently qualified AWS cloud practitioner in September 2024. Yeah, second point you need to mention. After that, having experience in databases PostgreSQL, MySQL, and MongoDB. I also have experience in Python, other web frameworks such as Flask, FastAPI, and Chalice AWS web framework. Having good knowledge of Python OOPS concepts, data structures like list, tuple, dict, set, frozen set. In this way, you need to mention one by one. Having experience of handling junior developers and interns. If you're 3+ years experience, they will expect from you that you should handle junior developers and interns. Yeah. Mm, Having experience of connecting with operation team. Operation team means QA team who tests your work, or DevOps team. Having experience of connecting with the operation team, connecting with the client and solving the production level issues. Having good knowledge of AWS S3 bucket, EC2, Lambda, and SQS. Also have the experience of CloudWatch, DynamoDB, AWS Transfer Family, AWS Cognito. If you have the experience of AWS, then you should mention the services names. S3 and Lambda is the most famous services. S3, IAM, you should mention IAM also. IAM also very common service. S3 bucket, IAM, and EC2, Lambda, SQS. What is SQS? They will ask to you, and the services you should mention in the introduction part. Having good experience of CI/CD pipelines and deployment. Having good experience of Python unit testing. Unit test writing the unit test cases of Python in Python. There is a one model per unit. You should mention this one also. Having experience of reviewing the MRs of junior developers and code developers, like code reviews, you should mention whatever you have the experience of reviewing. Also, you need to mention having experience of Python pandas package for data handling and file handling. Like that, you need to mention all the points. You should cover all the points, whatever the have experience, like models, packages, and Django. What Django REST framework also you should mention. And you also have the Django middleware experience. Like that, you need to mention all the services which are popular in the Django REST framework, Django middleware, Django ORM, like this. And having the experience of Postman. This all kind of the things you need to mention in the tell me about yourself. If you have the experience of around 4 years or 3 years, 10 months, or 3 years, 5 months, like this. Okay, thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next interview questions.